Ready to turn TikTok scrollers into Shopify shoppers? Alright, let's dive right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard on the left-hand side. Find and click on the Apps section. Now, in the Shopify App Store search bar, type in TikTok. You're looking for the official TikTok app. Once you find the official TikTok app, click on it and then click the Install button. You'll be prompted to authorize the app's access to your Shopify store. After the app is installed, you'll be taken to the TikTok app setup screen here. You'll need to connect your TikTok account. Make sure it's the account you want to use for your TikTok shop. Next up, product syncing. Choose how you want your Shopify products to appear on TikTok. You can manually select which products to sync or set up automatic syncing for new products. Now, let's optimize those listings. Within the TikTok app, you can edit each product's title, description, and price to make them even more appealing to TikTok users. Think short, catchy, and visually engaging. And that's it. Your products are now ready to shine on TikTok Shop. Start creating engaging content and watch those sales roll in.